people that have a leadership quality. Would you trust Kamala Harris to talk with Russia or China about nuclear war? I don't think so. I really don't. Would you trust her to steer us out of an economic crisis? I don't think so. Nothing is more dangerous than to give immense power to a very weak and incompetent person with an extremely low IQ. We had enough of low IQs in the last 4 years. We can't go through another person who's a dummy. We can't do it. You wouldn't put Kamala Harris in charge of even a kindergarten class. You can't do it. You can't do it. So at the end of the day, you need to ask yourself, can you afford to put someone this incompetent in charge of our country's future? No, you can't. No, you